Welcome to the channel. Raspberry Pi Pico in under a minute, a $4 microcontroller. Check out the official site for details. So, by having VNC installed on your PC, connect to your Raspberry Pi device with Pi Pico attached. When connected, launch Thony. Configure the interpreter to use MicroPython. Paste in some code and save it with a friendly name onto the Pi Pico. Call it Blinky. Run it. And here you go. Final check. Quit and reload Thony. Load the previously saved app from Pi Pico. Run. Hey, here it is again. Thanks for watching.